I just received a message from a friend of mine, and he happens to be a YouTuber too. He was asking if I want to hang out and record some videos, and I thought, hey, why not record another episode of You Fucked Up, Now What?
Meet Fabi. Fabi is a Swiss skating YouTuber which traveled the world while daily vlogging. Over his YouTube channels he already grew over 100k subscribers, and I am about to meet him now.
Hi there! Hey!
Look, I can do a 180 now. Look.
Oh!
Got it. So you have a small little cute camera. I like it. Actually, I've had this camera before as well, Legria Mini X.
Exactly, yeah.
But it was my second camera. Yeah, so I've had this camera as well, but I still like big cameras anyway. So yeah, today we're not gonna talk about cameras anyway. It's empty today. There's no one here, so we can do whatever you want. What do you want to do?
I want to hear about how you fucked up.
All right. So what do you want to talk about? So I need to say like audio stuff or focus stuff or like picture stuff. I don't usually fuck up. You know why?
Shut up.
You know why? You know why?
Why?
No, I don't ever fuck up actually.
Sure.
Because because I do it in the easiest way possible. I mean,
No,
I do it in a
You go
automatic everything.
No!
Especially when I was daily vlogging, because you fuck up so much stuff. And something else, a microphone. You know, I never fuck up microphone stuff because I only use microphones which I don't have to charge up, which I don't have to think about something else. So basically I just need batteries as long as I have batteries, and I always have batteries with me, so I don't fuck up stuff like this. But I fuck up a lot of other different stuff, especially when I was traveling around. It doesn't happen when I'm here in Switzerland though. But yeah, when I was traveling, let me talk about the first fuck up. The first one was a drone. So I had a Phantom 4 around 2 years ago. I was flying around in Pittsburgh in the middle of the city. It was rush hour, 5 o'clock in the evening. And I decided, yeah, let's fly with my drone in the middle of the city, downtown. And it was not a good idea because I was almost out of battery because I was in a rush and I was like, all right, I need content, I need that footage, I need drone shots. You know, that's how I was filming back then. So getting shots from everywhere. That's basically what I've done. So yeah, I really wanted to get awesome, sundown shots and whatever. It was really nice anyway. So yeah, it happened that I ended up flying into the federal building.
No way!
Yeah.
The federal building of the city.
Yeah. So what happened is my screen went black.
Oh.
And I didn't see anything anymore. So yeah, so I was like, walking around to see where my drone is. I was really afraid.
You lost your drone.
Yeah. I was really afraid of that my drone is flying into a car or into people or so. That was like my biggest fear. So it was only a building, so I'm glad it was just a building. I saw 3 policemen like holding my drone and investigating it and so on. I was like, all right, what do I do? Do I just leave my drone there, or am I just gonna go away? And I thought, fuck it, I'm gonna get my drone. I want my drone back. So yeah, I was like, hey guys, it's my drone.
And they were like, what?
I had to be there. They controlled my phone, they controlled me, they controlled my car. I had a really nice Camaro back then, by the way. It was a really nice Camaro. A red Camaro. Anyway, yeah, I had to wait there. They controlled my hotel room, they controlled my car, they controlled everything. I just didn't want me to be a terrorist or something like this. So yeah, that was my first job. I got my drone back, by the way. Like something else, oh my god, that's in my opinion one of the worst jobs I've ever had. So in Australia, I was traveling with a girl, and I was doing because of that girl, I stopped doing daily vlogs. If you happen to travel around, don't do it with a girl. Just don't. Like seriously, it just fucks up everything. She was really pissed that I was filming almost like always and like holding my camera like this and hey, what's up? Hey girl, I have a nice girl with me and so on. She was in my thumbnail anyway. Anyway, that's not that. It's not that. She was just pissed about me filming everything and putting my drone up always and so on. So we were in the middle of, Australia is like has a lot of big places, but they're also far away from each other. So sometimes you have to drive like 8 hours, 6 hours. I think it was an 8 or 6 hour drive. Anyway, so I got my drone up somewhere in the middle of the street somewhere. It was really nice. I will remember those shots like always. So anyway, it happened, I just left my camera outside of the car somehow. I don't know why. I was probably filming something, how I got the drone up or whatever. So yeah, I left my camera there. And the funny thing is, after an hour, when I was like, all right, I want to film something now, I was like, holy shit, where is my f***ing camera? So I left a whole rig there. So a microphone, an ADD, a wide-angle lens, even that Chobi Gorilla Pod, which is so difficult to get, like especially in Australia. I can remember it because I tried to get one. So of course I want, I just forgot everything. So after 1 hour, I decided to, the girl got even pissed more, right? The funny thing is, she didn't even drive, so I was driving the whole time, but she was pissed. Oh, no. She was pissed, not me. So I drove back. The camera was gone. That's basically the story. Oh yeah, and that's why I can remember the Legria, because that saved my life. That camera saved my life, because basically in Fiji, and after I lost that camera, I was using this camera for a while. Then I went back to Sydney. So funny thing what happened after that, my life got a lot better because I met a YouTuber in Australia, in Sydney, and he invited me. I was living with him. He was so I just learned everything from him, all the color grading stuff I do. I changed to manual setup on cameras and so on. What time is it? So that's basically my story. Okay, and now we have to leave this place. Let's go. I'll show you my skate park now. Let's go. I'm skating. I'm always skating. I'm so motivated to skate now, right now. You need a gimbal, man. Where's your gimbal? Where's your big equipment? I thought you were a professional. What's that?
Write it in the comments. If you want that we both go to an indoor skate park in Switzerland and I take my good equipment, let us know.
I want to see a red.
That would not be a problem. I can get one. That's not a problem.
I'm down. Let's do it.
But no, I don't want to waste red footage for you failing.
That was just like one. You just didn't see the. Oh my god! I'm done.
That's the end of the video.
It was like the 5th try, by the way. Just wanted to say it. Fourth.
Check out Fabi's channel. It's somewhere on screen now, and
in the description as well.
Let us know if we should do a video in a proper skate park. So,
yeah, I'm in. I'm totally in, as long as you guys are in. So tell me in the comments. Tell us in the comments.